What if I told you that your dream of owning a cozy wood cabin could come true for just $35,000? That's right. Imagine waking up to the serene sounds of nature, surrounded by towering trees and the fresh scent of pine. This could be your everyday reality. Amazon is selling this fully functional two-bedroom tiny home that not only looks like a dream, but can be shipped right to your door. Picture yourself receiving a delivery that transforms your living space into a cozy retreat. With easy assembly and modern amenities, this tiny home offers a perfect blend of comfort and convenience. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a permanent residence, this tiny home is designed to meet all your needs. Tiny homes aren't just a trend, they're a lifestyle choice. In fact, 56% of Americans said they would consider living in one, according to a study by Fidelity National's IPX 1031. It's about simplifying life without sacrificing comfort, and this Amazon cabin proves it. Now let's talk about this little gem on Amazon. This tiny house is not just any ordinary small dwelling, it's a marvel of modern design and efficiency. For just $35,000, you get a fully equipped kitchen, a sleek and modern bathroom, and, get this, electricity included. Imagine having all the comforts of a full-sized home in a compact, efficient space. And unlike many other tiny homes, this one is completely customizable. You can tailor it to fit your unique style and needs. Want a different floor plan? No problem. You can choose from a variety of layouts to suit your lifestyle. Prefer a different exterior finish or indoor layout? Amazon's got you covered. With multiple options available, you can create the tiny home of your dreams, all with the convenience of shopping online. Here's the best part, it's not just stuck in one place. This tiny home can be easily dismantled and moved wherever life takes you. Whether you're dreaming of a cabin in the woods or by the beach, this tiny house makes it all possible. Why are tiny homes like this the future? It's not just about affordability, though that's a huge plus. It's about living smarter, reducing your carbon footprint, and enjoying life to the fullest with less. A simpler life doesn't mean sacrificing luxury, especially with this modern design. So what are you waiting for? The opportunity to transform your living situation is right at your fingertips. If you've ever dreamed of owning a cozy, affordable home that you can take anywhere, this Amazon two-bedroom tiny house is the answer. Imagine waking up to new scenery whenever you want, all while enjoying the comfort of your own space. Hit the link in the description to check it out and make your tiny home dream a reality today. With just a few clicks, you could be on your way to a new lifestyle filled with adventure and simplicity. Don't forget to subscribe for more home hacks, tiny house tours, and real estate tips. Our channel is dedicated to helping you find innovative solutions for modern living. You never know what dream home might be just a click away. Stay tuned and keep exploring, because your perfect home could be closer than you think. See you in the next video.